Let's take a look at our ocean view stateroom 3342 on Freedom of the Seas. As we walk in, first thing we will do is turn on the lights, and here is the full room.
On the right side, we have the closet area. Inside, you will find hangers for your clothes, some shelving space, and also a safe where you can store your valuables, and life jackets for safety during the cruise. This is actually a pretty decent size for a cruise room, enough space for multiple people to share.
Moving forward, we have the desk and the mirror area. This is where you will find both European and US power outlets, which is really convenient for charging all your devices. On both sides of the mirror, there are lights you can turn on, great for getting ready. And right here is also where you can control the temperature of the room, so you can adjust it to whatever feels comfortable. Next to the mirror, there is additional storage space, another closet area, so you have even more room to organize your items.
Right next to that, we have the TV mounted on the wall. It's positioned nicely, so you can watch from the bed or even from the sofa. Now moving to the main highlight, the bed. This room is set up for 4 people, so the beds are configured to accommodate that. You can see here, the 2 beds are extended to give us enough sleep space. And right behind the bed, you have the ocean view window. When you are out at sea, this is honestly one of the best parts. You can just wake up, look outside, and see the open ocean. It's a really nice experience.
Over here, we have the sofa. This is a great spot to just sit, relax, maybe watch some TV, or just take a break during the day. There is also a curtain that you can close, which helps separate the space a bit, especially useful when you have multiple people in the room and want a little privacy. And right here, we have a full body mirror. Super convenient when you are getting ready to go out.
Now let's take a look at the bathroom. It's compact, but very functional. On one side, you have the sink with some counter space and storage underneath, plus a mirror cabinet for your toiletries. You will also find towels provided and some basic items. The shower is on the side. It's a stand-up shower, simple and easy to use, with a shampoo and a conditioner. Overall, it's not big, but it has everything you need for your cruise.
This is the Ocean View Stateroom 3342 on Freedom of the Seas. It's a cozy and practical room, especially for a family of 4, and having that ocean view window really makes a difference. If you have any questions about this room, feel free to drop them in the comments.